Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 71 Lamborghini Miura P400 SV, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their ID series. So if you don't know about this Hotwheels ID, because it is actually a game which you can play in your mobile, so you need to, which is mentioned here as you can see. It's an app you need to download, and then you need to, this is the NFC tag here. You need to open the game, and there is an option for tagging. If you just tap this spot in that mobile, this car will be registered that it's practically a 5-star car which you can play with. So the game was really good, and it got shut down in December 2023, if you are wondering. So you can actually see here. So I was playing this game, and I thought of buying just a couple which I really loved. So I am personally a fan of Lamborghini, so I bought the Miura first, and then I bought this Pagani Huayra as well. So let's open this one and see how this one looks. Okay. So I personally wanted to buy this golden color because I do have one more Miura with me, which you can see, I think it is on the top here. As you can see, that is a main line, the top. So yeah, I don't have any ID one, so this one looked really beautiful, so I bought it. So let's actually see how this one looks in hand. So the initial impressions of this car are like, the paint job is golden, so it looks really beautiful. The rims are really nice. So I think, they actually went with this specific set of rims for all this ID cars. So I don't own anything else apart from this Miura and this Hoya Roadster. If you know about this, you can just drop it in the comments. Okay. So I don't see any irregularities in the paint job. There is a little bit of bubbling here, as you can see, but it is not noticeable that easily. So here's the bottom part where the chip is located. So here is the logo. So anyway, Hot Wheels are not really good with the logo part. They always mess up something, and or it looks like, just someone scribbled it. So as usual, the headlights and taillights both are painted. So the wheels are actually made of plastic. These are not rubber wheels. It is kind of a very mainline casting, you can say, but they just included this NFC chip here. That's it. That's the only difference. Nothing much. So let's do a roll test and see how this one rolls. No, it doesn't even roll really well. It does a lot of wheel wobble, as you can see. Specifically the front wheels, you can see. It is like it's wobbling a lot. It is going to fall down. It feels like that, like a broken wheel. You can see it here, right? See. This is the worst casting I have ever seen with, this wheel wobble. Worst wheel wobble, I can say. So there is some interior detailing here. Actually, there are no engine details here, so it just grayed out inside. So if you are wondering, the body is actually made of metal, and the chassis is entirely this transparent plastic. And that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.